Hello everyone, so first we are going to make sun by using pencil color dust. In yellow color we are going to spread it into circular shape by using our fingers. Then we are going to use orange color dust for the middle effect, and when it's ready we are going to use black colored sketch pen for making the eyes of this sun like this. Starting by making it and then making the mouth as well, your sun is completed and looking so cool. Next we are going to make a lion. Starting by making the face of it, we are going to make the hair as well. Then we are going to highlight the face by making the ears, eyes, mouth, and then we are going to make the body of it including the long tail. After that we are going to color it by using brown color and yellow color, and you can see your lion is ready. Next we are going to make a rabbit holding a carrot. Starting by making the face and then the long ears of it, we're gonna make the body and the carrot. Then we are going to detail the face including the eyes and the mouth, and then we are going to color it by using pink, orange and green color. Next we are going to make a cartoon superhero, starting by making its face and the big eyes. After that we are going to move ahead towards its body and then making the costume, and after it's done we are going to make the legs as well. He is in a fighting position, and then we are going to complete it by highlighting the body and the legs as well. Then we are going to start coloring it by using different colored combinations.